Hello, me Ariful. I work with Google Ads and Web Analytics. In this video, I am going to show you how to pre-plan Calendly Google Ads leads you can tracking with zero CRM cost. So now you are seeing I am GTM PVM mode. GTM connected. Currently booking form. I'm going to fill up booking form. So now email and name. Candy form submitted. Now booking confirm. So now I am going to GTM event listener by tag how the data is populated. Okay, invite ID URL. Now calendar part, calendar receive form element name email booking time. Okay, now we can export calendar booking. So they offer everything, but you cannot store here Google Click ID, which is very important for our tracking, especially offline Google Ads tracking. Now GTM current event listener and Google Click ID capture. It is a custom HTML CSS form, JavaScript form. So now Google Click ID data available, and I have been noticing that offline tracking already I posted a video. Same thing is happened and applied for Google GTM to current booking leads, because in this method you can zero CRM cost, store your Google Click ID and invited URL to Google Sheet, and matching this ID afterwards will someone booking and later pay, and you manually status the Google Sheet that it is paid. So this paid Google Sheet you can integrate directly Google Ads dashboard, which will increase your return of ad investment. Thank you.